Welcome to this video on the current trend in the crypto market. For some time now, the market has started recovering, and it's important that we video to enlighten followers and then those who want to get into the crypto market, what's happening in the market. And then I know we did mention a few days ago that the market is recovering. And at that point, the person gets still skeptical about the state of the market. But then over the past 2-3 weeks, it's become very strong that the market has started recovering seriously. And that's what I want to just show in this video, give you a look at several coins and then see their trajectory over there. And then also for you to also appreciate how much you would have made for somebody who have not entered into the crypto market and is still dragging his or her feet. You will also see how much you would have made if you have got into the crypto market a few weeks ago, how you would have maybe made up to 50, 60, 70, or maybe even 100% of whatever it is that you invested in the crypto market. So without saying much, let's look at a few coins, and then we're going to come back to the total cryptocurrency market capitalization and then see the general overview of the market. Okay, let's look at coin ranking. One of the websites that gives analysis of cryptocurrency, their price charts, and then details about various coins. Let's look at Ethereum for a start. Yeah, for the 24 hours change is actually on the negative. There was a slight drop within yesterday and today in the market generally, except for a few coins that actually still rose, but for most of the coins, it dropped, including Bitcoin. Obviously, the 24 hours change is still in the negative, but then let's look at the long run. Let's look at the 30-day price change. You can see 66.19%. In other words, Ethereum have grown by 66.19% within the last 30 days. So as you can see on the price charts, as at July 20th, that's about a month ago, the price of Ethereum was $1,820.79. As you can see on July 19th, 2021. But then today, as you can see on your screen, it's currently at $3,029.60, so which shows a 66.25% change, which means if somebody had invested, let's say, 100,000 in Ethereum, you would have had an extra 66,000 naira added to your capital. So that is as simple as that. So Ethereum have grown, showing, like we said, it's just showing that the market have started recovering seriously. And then let's look at Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin also fell this within yesterday and today, so it's actually in the negative. But then let's look at the 7-day figure. Within the past 7 days, Dogecoin grew by 8.08%. As you can see on the 12th of August, it was 11th of August, Dogecoin was $0.2802. Today, $0.3015. So showing a plus 8.08% increase. But then let's look at the 30-day change. So within the last 30 days, Dogecoin grew by 72.80%. As you can see on July 19, the price of Dogecoin was 0.1740. But today, as you can see on your screen, it's $0.3020. So showing over 72% increase in price. So that also, you can also imagine what you would have made if you had invested bought Dogecoin just a month ago. Of course, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin also fell slightly, daily percentage change. But then let's look at the 7-day change. Yeah, still low because Bitcoin actually within the past 7 days has grown to, at some point it went about $47,000, and then So that's why it's showing that price difference. But then 30-day difference, yeah, within the past 30 days, the Bitcoin have grown by 45.77%. So July 19th, the price of Bitcoin was $30,742.96. So that was what Bitcoin was worth, $30,744.96. So today is worth $44,881.81 thousand dollars. So that to tell you how far it has grown so much. Now, when you know very well, when Bitcoin grows, it does shows that the market has started recovering seriously, because to a very large extent, the price of Bitcoin has a lot to do with the price of other coins. Coins have grown, like I said, some coins have grown between 50, 60, 70%. But interesting, some have also grown far beyond even the 100% mark. Let's look at a particular coin. Okay, let's look at this coin, Ethereum, SRM. Let's look at this particular coin, SRM percentage change. Like I said, not all coin fell between yesterday to today. Like this coin actually had a percentage difference of 13 plus 13.32% increase in its price. So within the last 7 days, let's see how far it had grown. Within the last 7 days, just 7 days, this coin have grown by 44.85%. And then, like we said in all of our videos, as much as Bitcoin is quite stable, Ethereum is quite stable, the Binance coin is quite stable, but then there are also other smaller coins that will give you quite quick return on your investment over time. And this one of those coins that, at least for this period, has been showing some very serious price trend. So within the past 7 days, it has grown by 44.85%. The price on the 11th of August was $5.13. Today, as you can see on the screen, the price is $7.41. So let's look at the 30-day price change. As you can see, on July 19th, the price was $2.67. And then you already know what it is today. So it has grown by $176.46. So which means 100,000 naira investment on this coin a month ago would have given you a return of over 100%, which means your 100,000 naira would have yielded an extra 170 something thousand within just a 1 month period. And then if you had just come into the market a week ago, you would have made over 40 something thousand naira from your 100,000. That's how much you would have made within the short period of time. So what we're saying with all of this analysis and this brief analysis is the fact that the market is recovering. But the good news is, whatever it is you've seen so far, like we've said in all of our videos, how coins grew over time, this is not even the end of the recovery process, because most of these coins are still highly undervalued. In other words, they still have a long way to grow. Dogecoin grew to about $0.7, and today it's just $0.3. So that means it's still over 50% undervalued. Even this coin, at the point, it grew to as much as $10. If we look at the 1 year chart, you're going to see that we have, at some point in May, it grew to as much as $12.34 on the 3rd of May, and that's about the highest it went within the past 1 year, $12.34. So it still have a long way to go. I know the stock market, the crypto market, the best time to enter the market is when the price or the stock price of that commodity or the price of that coin is highly undervalued. In other words, people have sold it so much and then it's growing over time. So this is the best time to get into the market. I must tell you for sure, this is the best time to get into the market. And getting into the market now is really, really huge. You're going to make a whole lot of money because the market is recovering seriously. Let's look at the general, the total cryptocurrency market. As you can see on the screen, I'm using the 1 month chart. So, okay, let's use the 3 month chart. That will help you begin to appreciate most of what we're saying. Okay, let's look at the 3 months chart of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. So, like in May, the market dropped seriously, which is not unusual. The market rises and falls over time. So I think in about April or so, it went to its all-time high. So let's try to get that. Let's use the 1 year chart so we can get that April high. Yeah, sometime on the 9th of May, it went to between 8th and 9th of May, it went to the market cap of $2.459 trillion. That was how high it went. And of course, there was a crash, a serious crash. God went to as low as $1.3 trillion, and then hovered within that 1 point something. And then also, even dropped as much as 1.2 sometime in July. Okay, something happened in July, precisely around the 17th of July, which seriously, as you can see on the screen, several news carried it. The Grayscale Bitcoin unlocked. Okay, so Grayscale, one of the largest Bitcoin trusts, in July, between the 17th to 22nd of July, unlocked several of its Bitcoin to its shareholders, those who invested with them. And then there was actually serious fear in the market on, prior to that time, what the impact of the release of such amount of Bitcoin was going to be. As you can see on the screen, several news outlets carried it, and then there was serious concern. So, but then after that unlock happened, though some analysts also predicted the fact that instead of having a negative impact on the price of Bitcoin, it's going to have a positive impact, which it actually did, because after then, since the price didn't drop, many people had lots of confidence in the market. And as you can see from the screen, let's use the 3 months chart so we could pick that very easily. As you can see from the screen, the market went to its lowest around 20th of July 2021. The market capitalization was around 1.2 trillion. And then after then, there has been a steady increase, of course. There will always be that fluctuation here and there, but from that time, there has been higher highs and higher lows in the market over time. So as you can see, went to 1.5, 1.6, 1.6, yeah, came down again to 1.5 on the 4th of August, and then went up again, 1.7 on the 7th of August, up to 1.8 on the 9th of August, and then it has just been on that steady trajectory. Yeah, there are fluctuations here and there, but then even the lows that I've been making have actually been higher lows. So went up to the point of getting to as much as getting back to 2 point something trillion on 17th of August. Because today is the 18th of August, like we said, there was a drop in the market, and then currently at 1.92 trillion. Of course, the market is recovering, as you can see from, let me zoom this in so you can see it better. Okay, so we're using the 6th of August to 17th of August. So as you can see, so guys, what we're saying with this is the fact that there is serious recovery in the market. The video training program continues with cashing out from the current upward financial market trend, part 2. Okay, in the part 2, we'll be looking at the projection of Bitcoin, how several analysts have projected Bitcoin to get to as much as 100,000 between now and December, and how that affects every other coin in the market. We'll also be looking at practical ways you can make 5, 10, 15, 20 or more dollar daily by observing the highs and lows of specific coins. We'll also be looking at steps you can and should take today to be able to begin your cryptocurrency journey right away. So I want to say thank you for staying with us up to this point, and I trust to see you in the part 2 of the video, which I trust will be as informative, educative, and exciting as this other video. Once again, thank you for staying with us, and see you in the part 2 of the video.